Farmhouse flip. First BonFire. Porter, what do you think of that? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mark?
Warm, a little warm.
Little warmage. We got some fireworks. It's big. The first time we did this, we thought we were going to burn down the whole field, so we put an end to it. But it's going. It's a bit. Whoa, we got fireworks. Jeez. You see that? Those. Oh yeah, that's just what we need, Marsh. For a farmhouse flippage.
Dad, come here. Feel it falling apart right
Oh, I believe it, bub.
now. Feel it.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Whoa,
That's hot.
that's hot.
It will right next to the fire.
To the fire.
Whoa, there's a fire.
There was?
Yeah, look.
That was in our house. Yeah, it's a fire. Holy cow, that's hot, bub. I gotta go. There's a hotchie mama. We got a hot fire going on here at the farmhouse. We just melted Marshall, melted him. Woo!
Look at it, feel it. It gave more hotter.
Oh my God, Becky. Oh yes, get it going, stir it up.
Dad, feel it. Dad, they're more normal. Right over here. Watch, right here.
Jeez, you're sweating, bub.
Look, right here.
Oh,
We have.
Jeez, that is warm.
It got floated.
It's good.
That'll heat up your barn in the winter.
Yeah, we're just heating up.
I thought behind.
Well, I think I'm gonna go and assess the situation. I do have some more logs to throw on, so yeah, that's a big one. It's a big fire.
My face.
My face.
Melt.
Yep, we're melting.